Python doesn't get enough hate. Let's dig into it.
I don't think Python gets enough hate as a language respective to its actual good use cases. Why is this?
Python's real advantage isn't raw performance. It's that the interpreter absorbs huge amounts of complexity on your behalf. In C or C++, even if you follow the manual perfectly, use only the big dependency, and your program compiles, you can still create enormous space of possible runtime failures. Memory corruption, dangling pointers, ownership bug, ABI issues, data erases, allocator weirdness, implicit compiler added branches and other forms of undefined behavior. So even if the source code seems perfect, you always have to ask, what the heck have we built? Can we trust it? That's why serious C++ projects end up with sanitizers such as USAN, UBSAN, Valgrind. They have fuzzers, static analyzers, and mountains of testing. I'm going to be covering these in my channel at a level that anyone can understand, even us Python using software engineers.
Rust gets enormous hate despite being a fairly ubiquitously good idea.
Rust removes one level of complexity with ownership and borrow checking. Python does that too with garbage collection, but Python also removes another 8 levels of complexity: bounds check, exceptions, object lifetimes, portable bytecode execution, reflection, dynamic dispatch, massive standard library, consistent runtime semantics.
But Python is used ubiquitously for basically everything, even though it's not really suited to a lot despite almost never being the best option for anything and gets just no hate at all.
You're no longer building a native binary from loosely constrained machine level components. You're orchestrating behavior inside a heavily managed environment. That's why Python became ubiquitous, not because it's best at everything, but because it dramatically lowers the cognitive load of building software, significantly quicker and thus cheaper to develop and deploy production quality software. Python feels lightweight, flexible and Unix friendly, and coherent as a general purpose high level language. If you want to know more about how Python works and how C++ works, please visit my channel, Knight of the Pigeon Wrath.